DMV has new rules that will change the way prosecutors charge drunk drivers, what it means for cases in the courts now, and how it'll affect future trials.
Now, from the desert's news leader, KESQ News Channel 3, live at 5.
We've learned a Cathedral City woman will not face murder charges after killing 2 people while police say she was driving drunk. It was last February when 24-year-old Tiffany Campbell slammed her car into a semi-truck in Palm Desert at Highway 111 and Town Center Way. The Riverside County District Attorney's Office considered increasing the charges against her from gross vehicular manslaughter to murder. Though today, the district attorney's office says there was not enough evidence to press murder charges. Police say she was under the influence of alcohol at the time. Her defense attorney entered a plea of not guilty to all of the charges. And even though the DA's office decided not to press murder charges against Tiffany Campbell, new laws make it easier to do so. News Channel 3's Nathan Bach is live tonight with more on how these tough new laws will affect the way you apply for a driver's license. Nathan.
Murder or manslaughter? What punishment is right when drinking and driving results in deaths? There's a legal debate that's been fueled by a new DMV law and has the fate of one local defendant hanging in the balance. These people applying at the Indio DMV for driver's licenses will soon have to check an extra box on their forms.
They're advised that being under the influence of alcohol or drugs impairs their ability to safely operate a motor vehicle, and it's dangerous to human life, and if they drive under the influence and they kill someone while driving under the influence, that they can be charged with murder.
Fatal drinking and driving crashes are being pressed by some prosecutors as murder. Vehicular manslaughter often carries a prison term less than 5 years. Murder convictions can put one behind bars much longer. Palm Springs defense attorney Mark Sullivan looks at the legal precedent that's at the root of this tougher punishment.
With regard to a Watson murder, is that the killing resulted from an intentional act. The natural consequences of the act are dangerous to human life, and the act was deliberately performed.
The state assembly passed a law going into effect last month that made the DMV forms have people sign their name to a declaration stating they realize the potentially fatal consequences of drunk driving. That declaration could be used later in court for murder charges.
If you already have a California driver's license, then the tough new law will apply to you once you renew it.
I think that anybody who does drink and drive knowingly and they kill someone, they deserve that penalty.
But there's a debate whether this declaration overstates facts.
It is not reasonably likely that someone driving under the influence is going to cause death. You can take the statistics of the Mothers Against Drunk Driving and show that the odds of someone getting drunk and driving his vehicle, the odds of him killing someone is about 750,000 to 1.
Again, the prosecution decided not to press murder charges against Tiffany Campbell today, but there are other local cases where the district attorney's office is going beyond the usual charges of vehicular manslaughter. The new DMV law will make it easier for them to do so.